Hello and welcome to Prudent News. First a look at the headlines. Unhappy, but we will not topple the government, say ruling MLAs in Prudent special debate. Congress says they won't support any defecting MLAs from the BJP. South Goa District Collector wraps up the meeting with Chogle High Secondary. Chogle gets stay against the meet from the court. High Court acquits Dupatta killer Manan Naik in Sushila Fatarpekar murder case. DNA report fails to establish identity of the victim. Government plans to revive sports policy by September. Instead, to introduce a special subject on sports for 9th and 11th standard, sports to become a career option. And 56-year-old lady dies at Marna Sioli in an accident between a two-wheeler and a crane. Accident at Duler Mapsa injures 2. A ramming four-wheeler kills a 10-year-old boy on Verna Vasco highway. Now the news in detail. We are unhappy, but we won't topple the government. This is what MLAs supporting the ruling formation say. They agree that the government has failed to live up to the people's expectation. However, Congress has made it clear that they won't support any new formation, even if MLAs from ruling party break away.
As of date, I am supporting the government, issue based.
पण जे सौंदर्य आशिल्लें जे तिकसाण पयलीं आशिल्ली पळय जो ग्लो आसलो
तो गेला
हो ग्लो आज दिसना तरी आसतना आमचें सरकार तें आमचें सरकार.
The BJP time and again is going and telling the people that government is stable. It's like the Gorbachev truth. You keep repeating a lie to make it the truth.
फाटल्या सरकारांनी कांयच करूं ना. ओन्ली 15% ताका टॅग आशिल्लो आनी दॅट नोबडी कॅन डिनाय आनी आय एम नॉट हॅपी विथ द गव्हर्मेंट जाल्यार आय डोंट थिंक सो. हांव व्हेरी हॅपी विथ द गव्हर्मेंट.
ते उलयता आसतना एक मातशें दिसता की खंय तरी कितें जालें आहा म्हण बिकॉज बिफोर कमिंग हियर आय डिडंट नो देर वॉज एनीथिंग.
BJP at the worker level, total interference. आमदार असताना तूं आनी एक टीम दवरता थंय.
पण जर कोण कार्यकर्ते म्हणपाक लागले की आपणा MLA लागना आनी आपणाक आनी कोण लागता हांव तें सहन करपाना की MLA होच तुमच्या मतदारसंघाचो प्रतिनिधी.
आमदाराक मातसो आमदार सायडलायन जाता आनी केन्ना केन्ना बाकीचेच कोण कोण डिसिजन घेवन मोकळे जातात तशें म्हाका तरी डिक्टेटोरियल एटिट्यूड बी दिसना. ना ना तसो कांय डिक्टेटोरियल एटिट्यूड म्हाका तरी दिसूना.
Extra constitutional forces are ruling the roost in the ruling party.
जीवा बरें दिसता न्ही कित्याक गो आमी ऑपोजिशन आहाय न्ही रुलिंगान तूं तशें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता वी आर बेटर ऑफ.
ही शासकीय यंत्रणा अजून सक्षम जावना.
की म्हाका दिसता मनोहर पर्रीकाराक जर 21 मेळूंक नाशिल्लें जाल्यार तो बरो चीफ मिनिस्टर आसता. ताका आतां 21ाचो मत मागला.
रुपयाचो स्टॅम्प पेपर 50 रुपयाचेर व्हेलो तो फटको सामान्य मनशाक बसलो.
स्कीम ग्रह आधाराची स्कीम जे गव्हर्नमेंट दिता
स्कीम दिता स्किमीक लागून मरे
पण तूं असो दितलो आनी असो काडटलो.
म्हजे कशें कांय लोक अशे आहा की तांकां 50 रुपया दिसा मेळना. पळय लाडली लक्ष्मी आनी गृह आधार बायनी घेवड्यो बेल्टां काडल्यो 800 तेवटेन दिल्यो. हांव विचारलें हांची जरी गरिबी 3 म्हयन्याची म्हाज्या हातून 300 वर्सांचे गरीब लोक आहा तांकां आमकां कित्याक
कितें आयकूंक येता तातूंत दिसना तुका 21
पर्रीकार परत येतगीर कितें जातलें.
District Collector wrapped up the scheduled meeting with Chogle High Secondary before it commenced. The District Collector N.D. Agarwal had fixed a meeting with Chogle Management, Education Director, teachers and students to discuss timings and staff room issue. Chogle has managed to get a stay on this meeting. The next hearing is scheduled on 6 July. Till then, the same situation will continue.
Chogle Higher Secondary students were flabbergasted due to sudden change in timings while teachers were irked with the shifting of staff room on Saturday. Teachers claimed that this was a torture tactic of the management while students demanded removal of the principal. South Goa Collector called a joint meeting on Monday to resolve all these issues. But Chogle management brought a stay on the scheduled meet. Additional Sessions Judge ruled against this meeting. Now, the next hearing is scheduled on 6 July.
Honorable Additional District Judge has granted a stay order against the order which I have passed to hold the meeting today, and that is the reason the meeting has been cancelled. 6 जुलाई को hearing fix किया है 2:30 पर.
At present, the management has brought back the staff room and locker room to its original room. Education Director Anil Pawar has cleared that the department would not interfere if the higher secondary runs smoothly.
As long as the school is running smoothly, we don't interfere.
And the timing changed? Okay with that?
That is again, that is, they have to minimum that much of this, and all the, as per the curriculum, they have to complete the portion.
Francisco Sardina has blamed the incumbent government for the whole Chowgule College chaos.
That the management was not interested in continuing the higher secondary. So I can only say that the government is sleeping.
Chowgule management is already in the line of fire for admitting students below capacity. Now, all the deadlocks are expected to be solved only after Chief Minister's return from his foreign trip. Samir Bhatt and Pratik Parab for Prudent.
The High Court has acquitted alleged serial killer Mahanand Naik in Sushila Fatharpekar murder case. The court acquitted Mahanand as the DNA report did not confirm identity of the victim. Victim Sushila was working as a ward attendant at a private hospital. She was reported missing in October 2007. According to Goa police, when Mahanand was arrested in 2009, he had confessed to killing Sushila. The trial court had convicted him and awarded him life imprisonment.
Setting aside the order of trial court, the High Court in its judgment passed on Monday acquitted Mahanand Naik. The High Court held that prosecution failed to establish identity of the victim as DNA report was not confirming that the skeleton recovered was of Sushila Fatharpekar. According to Goa police, in year 2007, Sushila was working as a ward attendant in a private hospital where Mahanand's daughter was undergoing treatment. Mahanand first befriended her and later killed her. Mahanand was arrested in 2009. He had confessed killing Sushila. Police had recovered the skeleton from Goa University area as indicated by Mahanand. Though the DNA report was not confirming the identity of Sushila, the trial court had convicted him and awarded him life imprisonment. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.